Hello everyone, hope you're doing okay. Just wanted to take a quick minute just again to welcome you to the class. As a reminder, unless I specify otherwise, all your assignments will be due on Thursday nights. You should have your textbook or be getting your textbook, which is Child, Family, and Community. And we will... Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. I just wanted to take a minute to welcome you to EDU 131 again. By now you should have read everything in the Getting Started module, the syllabus, the addendum, all the important information. Again, as a reminder, all of your assignments will be due on Thursday nights, unless I specify otherwise. You have your first assignment, which is due this Thursday, September 24th, and that's the introduction quiz, and you do an introduction form. As a reminder, there is a book for this class. It is required. I'm going to show you what the book looks like. That's the cover. So that is required for the class. Information about the book is in the syllabus addendum and on the SEC bookstore website. Each week you'll have assignments posted. Again, like I just told you, week 1 is introduction. I have week 2 already posted. You'll see that you have required readings, which is chapter 1 from the textbook. And then there's a couple of websites that you need to look at. And then you have one assignment. Now, in the next few days, I'll be posting the following weeks. Again, it's real important that you log in and you read your course announcements. This is where I'll post information and remind you about things, or if there's been changes in something. So, please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or concerns. Have a good day. Thanks.